Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. With late September upon us, cold and flu season is already making its presence felt, and I've experienced it firsthand. Thankfully, I had our organic cold remedy blend on hand, and after just a few cups, I could really feel the difference. This soothing herbal blend is crafted to ease cold symptoms and help you recover faster, so you can feel your best in no time. Packed with antioxidants like aspalathin and quercetin, rooibos helps to reduce inflammation and boost the immune system. The anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate sore throats and congestion, making breathing easier and providing relief from irritation. Rooibos is also rich in minerals such as magnesium and zinc, which support overall immune health and promote faster recovery. Additionally, rooibos is gentle on the stomach and can help soothe digestive issues, which often accompany colds. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that boost the immune system, helping the body fend off infections more efficiently. Its antimicrobial properties may also aid in fighting the bacteria and viruses that contribute to colds. The warming effect of cinnamon stimulates circulation, helping to raise body temperature and relieve the chills often experienced during illness. Cinnamon also supports digestion, making it especially beneficial when dealing with an upset stomach or digestive discomfort during a cold. Rose hips are a fantastic natural remedy for alleviating cold symptoms due to their high concentration of vitamin C, which supports immune function and helps the body fight off infections more effectively. Their antioxidant properties also combat inflammation, reducing the discomfort of sore throats and congestion. Rose hips can help shorten the duration of colds by boosting the body's ability to recover quickly. They also contain antiviral and antibacterial compounds, which can assist in preventing secondary infections that sometimes arise during illness. Elderberries are known for their powerful immune-boosting properties and help reduce inflammation to support the body's natural defenses against viruses. Studies suggest that elderberries may shorten the duration and severity of colds by inhibiting the replication of viruses in the body. Elderberries are a natural source of vitamins A, C, and E, which further strengthen immune function and aid in faster recovery. Additionally, elderberries are known for their ability to reduce congestion and soothe respiratory symptoms. Ginger's warming effect promotes circulation, which can raise body temperature and help combat chills and body aches often associated with colds. Additionally, ginger has antimicrobial and antiviral benefits, which may help the body fight off infections and prevent the cold from worsening. Its ability to relieve nausea and support digestion makes it particularly beneficial for those experiencing stomach discomfort during a cold. Ginger also acts as a natural expectorant, helping to break up mucus and relieve chest congestion, making breathing easier during respiratory infections. Rich in antioxidants and immune-supporting compounds, echinacea helps the body fight off viral infections more effectively. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe sore throats, ease congestion, and reduce swelling in the respiratory tract. Echinacea can also stimulate white blood cell production, strengthening the body's defense against pathogens. Some studies suggest that taking echinacea at the first sign of a cold may help prevent it from fully developing. For this week's recipe, we are giving our organic cold remedy tea a fall makeover. Let's go over how to make cozy cold remedy cider. First, steep 2 teaspoons of organic cold remedy tea leaves in 8 ounces of filtered water for at least 7 minutes. Then, add the ground cinnamon and honey to the steeped tea. Heat up the apple juice and then mix it in with the tea. Garnish with a cinnamon stick if you like, and enjoy. Thank you for joining us for this week's edition of our Tea of the Week series. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible benefits of our organic cold remedy blend. We'd love to hear about your experiences with this tea or any of our other teas. Please share your thoughts in the comments or on our socials. Happy steeping.